Hello guys. Today I'll show you how to configure AI recommended frequently bought together bundles. Go to the frequently bought together section. Under configurations, select the recommendation type as AI. Next, choose your recommendation engine, such as related or complementary products. Then configure your discount type and discount value. Once you're done, click Save. That's it. Upsellity AI will now automatically recommend frequently bought together bundles on your store based on the recommendation engine you've selected.